Welcome to this technical guide for electricians, focusing on choosing the right solar setup for your clients by comparing hybrid and off-grid inverters. We will begin with the fundamentals, understanding the core differences in power flow and grid interaction between off-grid and grid-tied systems. The off-grid inverter is designed for complete independence, creating a standalone power system with no grid connection. It only converts DC battery power to AC and must be paired with a charge controller. The hybrid inverter is an all-in-one solution that manages solar, battery, and the utility grid simultaneously. It features integrated management, is grid-tie capable, and offers seamless backup during grid outages. Comparing the two, off-grid systems are isolated with mandatory battery requirements and higher complexity. Hybrid systems support bidirectional grid interaction, allow power selling, and feature lower installation complexity. For off-grid systems, essential components include the battery bank sized for autonomy, an external charge controller like an MPPT, and an auto general start interface for backup. Hybrid systems utilize internal MPPT trackers, a smart meter for monitoring grid flow, and a BMS COM port for precise lithium battery charging. From an installation standpoint, hybrid units simplify wall space due to integrated protection. They support AC coupling and often require a sub-panel for critical loads. When it comes to grid connection, hybrid inverters prioritize self-consumption before exporting power. Off-grid inverters ignore the grid entirely, requiring larger battery banks for extended autonomy. System reliability metrics show hybrid efficiency at about 98% with a 10 millisecond switching speed. Off-grid units offer superior surge capacity, roughly 2.5 times better for inductive loads. Market trends indicate a rapid shift toward hybrid solutions. This is driven by falling battery prices and the increasing integration of smart features into these systems.